Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You'll start by making sure both devices share the same Wi-Fi network. Otherwise, AirPlay won't list targets. Once connected, unlock your iPhone and open Control Center. Swipe down from the top right on Face ID iPhones or swipe up from bottom on Touch ID models. Make sure you can see the screen mirroring tile or the AirPlay icon. If it's missing, Bluetooth or Wi-Fi may be off. This step gets you into the interface where you choose the screen target. Once Control Center shows the screen mirroring tile, tap it to reveal nearby AirPlay targets. The phone scans and lists devices by name. You should pick the correct TV or Apple TV. Device names matter when multiple options appear. After selecting a target, wait for the connection handshake. Some displays present a 4-digit code on screen. If prompted, enter that code on your iPhone to authorize the link. This ensures a secure mirrored session and confirms you. With mirroring active, you can control volume and orientation on the iPhone, and the receiving display will follow. Make sure apps allow screen sharing for video or protected content. To end the session, open Control Center again and tap Stop Mirroring or disconnect from AirPlay in the app. If the connection drops or never appears, restart your iPhone and the target device, then make sure Wi-Fi and Bluetooth are enabled. That simple restart often resolves discovery and handshake problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.